Hello friends, a warm welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, we will be discussing something about Corona bond issue. Well, friends, I'm not sure if you are aware of it or you have listened to the recent talks that has been published over Times and as well as CNBC as well. So there was an article that was published in the beginning of March regarding a bond that is going to be issued, and the name of the bond is Corona bond issue. So let's quickly jump into the video and let's try to understand what exactly this Corona bond issue is all about. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me as you have always done. So friends, just to give you a summary what exactly this bond is. So basically this would be a 6-year bond which will give you a 4% annualized return, and that would be a tax-free bond issued by Government of India. That means if you are actually booking this bond, you will not be able you'll not be paying any tax to the government against this 4% interest that you will be garnering. It is applicable for corporates, individuals, NRIs. That means any individual entity, anyone from the country can book this bond, can invest in this bond, and government hopes to shore up to 2 lakh crore is this stipulated amount that government is going to garner or government is going to generate out of this bond issue. So it's something, a target that government has set, but it doesn't mean that this fund is readily available, because it all depends upon how many people actually invest to this fund. So let's quickly jump into some more details. So the first thing that came into news, it says that as the Indian economy struggles in the vice grip of COVID-19 pandemic, the government has been considering the idea of issuing coronavirus bond to shore up liquidity. So friends, basically this is a concept that has come from the European countries as well, because there has been talk in German and French politicians that those governments are also coming up a proposal wherein they will be issuing government bonds. That is something to it's a fund generating a bond that will actually be used in all the pandemic revival things, or whatever is the money spent on doing all the research work or giving capital aids to the needy person and all those things. So the same concept is being taken by Indian government as well, and they are trying to follow the footsteps. So that is something that is in talks, and the name definitely, because this is something which is related to coronavirus, so the name has been given like coronavirus bond. So a proposal made earlier this month, as I told you just now, that it was a proposal. It was brainchild of European nations, but definitely we have started talking on this in the month of March, and being debated in the highest echelons of the government envisages issuing special tax-free bonds bearing 4% interest rate and a 6-year lock-in. So it's like the bond would be Government of India bond. It would give you a 4% return, and that 4% interest, the return that you will be getting is interest free return. But definitely there is a 6-year locking period, because government wants a fixed capital which they can use it for the development of the nation. Next thing they say is the government fears that the severe blow to GDP growth will drastically reduce its revenue, and it does not see buoyancy in the next few quarters. That's very obvious that once the corona pandemic is over, or the lockdowns are removed, and all the companies open up, all the businesses open up, it's definitely not a magic that is going to happen in the next quarters, because definitely companies will take some time to revive, and it will be it even few quarters is not enough. It's going to take quite some time to stand up on the feet and go back to where exactly it was before the pandemic situation. So the bonds are proposed as an alternative to printing cash, and would be almost like an alternative with the investor's name and details imprinted on it. So it's simple that government is actually using the public's fund to to work on, or to use that for their day-to-day expenditures, and definitely it will have an investor's name on it, because you are the one who is actually going to book this bond. So anyone, including non-resident Indian and corporates, would be allowed to invest in the paper. So that means persons who are NRIs, people who are residing outside the country, who are not residents anymore, who have become citizens of other countries, they will also be eligible, because this is something wherein you're not buying any property or land or anything, but you are actually helping the nation in generating revenue, and you're infusing fund from outside and helping the nation grow. So that's why they are planning to allow non-residents as well. So they would be transferable and can be mortgaged to raise money from banks and financial institutes. So that's the money plan. And one plan being debated is the government also pay tax refunds with bonds and even consider paying supplies for the bonds. So this is what the plan is, and with all this money, what government is planning to do. So there are a lot of discussions that are happening over the past few quarters, and how the government is going to use this fund if at all this is implemented. So it's still in talks. There is no financial reports or confirmation coming out of Government of India's office, but definitely when there is some speculation in the market, there is definitely something going to happen, and that is bound to happen. So friends, this was just a small piece of information that I wanted to share with all of you. And if you have liked this content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming back with something important and something useful for you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a good day.